Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of boring forms and low engagement from surveys or lead magnets, today's deal might surprise you. We're looking at Quizify, an all-in-one tool for creating quizzes, surveys, forms, and interactive funnels. And yes, it's available right now as a one-time lifetime deal on AppSumo. So the big question is simple. Is Quizify worth buying, or should you stick with tools like Typeform or SurveyMonkey? Let's break it down. Quizify is a no-code quiz and funnel builder designed to help you engage visitors, capture leads, collect zero-party data, and turn responses into real insights. You can build quizzes, surveys, and forms manually, or let the AI builder create everything for you in seconds. Just enter your topic, and Quizify does the heavy lifting. Quizify is a strong fit for marketers building lead magnets, coaches and consultants qualifying leads, educators running assessments, agencies creating funnels for clients, small businesses collecting feedback. If engagement matters to you, Quizify makes sense. Let's talk features, because this is where Quizify shines. AI-powered funnel builder. This is one of the biggest highlights. Generate full quizzes or forms instantly. Saves hours of setup time. Great for beginners and non-tech users. AI usage works on credits, which are included in every plan. 16+ question types. You're not limited to basic multiple-choice questions. You get text inputs, image-based questions, ratings and scales, yes, no logic, score-based results, Tier 2+. This keeps users engaged instead of bored. Logic jumps. Yes, even in Tier 1. A common question on AppSumo was about logic. Good news, logic jumps are included in all tiers. Score-based logic starts from Tier 2, that's a big win at this price. Integrations that matter. Quizify connects with tools you actually use. MailChimp, Klaviyo, Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, Zapier and Make Google Sheets, Calendly and TidyCal. This makes it easy to automate follow-ups and track performance. Real-time analytics. You can track user responses, engagement trends, funnel performance, campaign effectiveness, no guessing, just data. Here's the simplified breakdown. Tier 1, $29, best for solo users, 3 funnels, 500 submissions, month, AI credits, included Quizify branding stays good for testing and simple use cases. Tier 2, $59, best value for most users, 10 funnels, 1,500 submissions, month, CRM integrations, score-based results, Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel. This is the sweet spot for marketers. Tier 3, $129 for agencies and power users. Unlimited funnels, 5,000 submissions, month, remove branding, Zapier and make integrations. Custom fonts, best if you're building funnels for multiple clients. Yes, especially at this price. If you want to, boost engagement, capture smarter leads, build interactive funnels, avoid monthly costs. Quizify is a solid AppSumo buy. For most people, Tier 2 offers the best balance of features and limits. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check out the lifetime deal. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more software deals and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.